Hello, hi, welcome to Mkosa Samsans. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Your friend Grace Mondlana, influencer, content creator, leduma ngendlela lisimanga utendela ligama uGrace ngokuthi afake ama-videos ema-vlog laphana aku-TikTok waduma kanjalo wathandzwa guys iningizimu Afrika yonke. So Grace Mondlana ujobe tinole takhe and uMatthew decided to drag uGayla for ukujoba tinole takhe ngemva kwe-paid promotion ye-dye ye-Kanye. So uMatthew was basically saying ukuthi did something went wrong yini inenkinga yini le-dye, why asajobe tinole takhe uhamba wayowenda lo kwenhlekisa lapha ku-TikTok ngokuthi uMatthew ende i-video, and people didn't like that a bit because people love uGrace Mondlana, and anyone lofuna kumdraga just nokuthi batomkhomba or like nje utoba senkingeni. So maybe that's not the reason why ajobete nomtaka cleanser nokuthi dye mhlambe ayizange emphathe kahle with dye nenkinga. Maybe bekafuna ukuthi joba since ushilo ukuthi bekafuna jobate nomtaka from November, like she's been thinking about kujobate nomtaka. So show ukuthi cleanser logo ne-dye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think uMatthew was right ngokuthi agceke or acekele phasi ligama la Grace? Mina nawe sohlangana kule-dye video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.